Hello guys, it's your boy Olushola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick review on conversion AI. Now this is a new artificial intelligence software that helps you generate content for your website. It helps you generate content for your business. Let's say you are a blogger and you are having issues writing article on your website. You can actually use conversion AI to generate automatic content. Okay, now the AI help you write this content from scratch to finish, and you can publish this content on your website. Now this might actually sound too good to be true. Now this is the reason why I'm actually creating a review on the software and help you see if this is actually up to the task as they claim it to be. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started.
Ooh, I like that.
This is crazy simple. Like, I just gave it something ridiculous and it came out so good.
In 10 minutes, I'll be able to come up with all the content to send off to our writers.
I love this. This is gonna disrupt the copywriting industry.
Alright guys, so right now I'm going to be logging into my dashboard, okay, and show you what you can actually do using the conversion AI software. Alright, so these are what you can use conversion AI to do. Okay, you can use it for your marketing framework, you can use it for your e-commerce business, you can use it for email marketing, you can use it to generate content for your website, for your blog, you can use it to run ads, to generate ad copy, you can use it to generate video script, you can use it for on page SEO, and you can use it for your marketing. Okay, so as you can see, we have the long form assistant, which is for article writing. We have product revision, we have content improver. Okay, if you have content on your website that you want to rewrite to make it better, okay, you can use this content improver feature to do just that. Okay, so you can get blog post intro. Okay, you can let conversion AI generate your blog intro for you using this feature. Okay, sentence expander, you can use this for that. Facebook ad headline, you can use this for that. So we have Google ads, we have Amazon product features, we have so many features on the platform that you can use the artificial intelligence to do for you. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be going with the long form assistant. Okay, I'm going to be doing a short example. Okay, I'm going to be creating a short article to let you see what this software can actually does. Okay, so let's say I want to write an article for my website. Now if you are like me, you should know that writing article take a lot of time and a lot of effort. So if you have an artificial intelligence or a robot that can actually do that job for you, then you must definitely check it out. Okay, so let's say I want to write an article on my website. So I'm going to click on the long form assistant feature, which is this. Okay, so I'm going to click on this right now. So as you can see, it says describe the content you want to create. Okay, now this is an example. So let's say I want to write a guide on high-ticket dropshipping. So let me paste that right here. Okay, the ultimate guide to high-ticket dropshipping. Okay, now the idea behind high-ticket is selling more expensive. Now this is just to give Jarvis. Okay, now Jarvis is the robot behind conversion AI. Now this is the robot that generates the content for you. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, you have to tell Jarvis what you are trying to write about. Okay, so once you've given it the piece, a little piece about what you want to write, it's going to use that piece to generate the rest of the content for you. All right, now this is just to let it know what I'm trying to write, or to give it an info about what I'm trying to write. Now if you are trying to rank for your content, okay, you definitely need to put the keyword here. Okay, so the keyword should be dropshipping, although it's optional. Okay, so the next thing you want to do now is click continue. Okay, now one of the good thing about this feature is that it can actually generate title ideas for you. Okay, so I don't want to write any title. Let me just click on generate ideas and let it choose the title idea for me. All right, so as you can see, the ultimate guide to high ticket dropshipping, increase your profit margin. Nice. The ultimate guide to high ticket dropshipping, high ticket dropshipping, the ultimate guide. Now let me go with this, the ultimate guide to high ticket dropshipping. Now let's use this. Good. All right, so intro paragraph. Okay, write your own intro paragraph, or let Jarvis help you generate idea. Now if I click generate idea, Jarvis is going to generate the intro paragraph for me. Okay, so which is the idea behind everything we are trying to do, to have Jarvis write the whole content for us. Okay, so I'm going to click generate ideas right now. All right guys, as you can see, now we now have the introduction for our article. Now dropshipping is an e-commerce business model that lets you sell products without ever actually purchasing or storing them. Dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to leverage the power of e-commerce marketplaces and social media platforms and reach a global audience with low cost. Is your dropshipping business not as profitable as you would like? Do you want to make more money off each sales and generate greater profit margin? If so, then high-ticket dropshipping is for you. High-ticket dropshipping can be defined as high-ticket dropshipping can be defined simply by the fact that it deals with higher ticket item in comparison to other types of dropshipper. In this article, we will go over what exactly high ticket dropshipping entails and provide some tips on how to get started. Perfect. Now this is the perfect introduction for what we want to write. Okay, so I'm going to click use this one. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is click on open editor. Alright guys, as you can see, we now have the introduction for what we want to write. Okay, so now what we want to do is, if you want to add to the introduction, okay, what you simply need to do is just come here, then click on compose. But I feel this is okay, and you should also have in mind that the robot is actually not perfect. Okay, that is why it's a robot. Okay, you still need to do some editing to some of the content, but so far I'm sure you know that what we have with the introduction is actually perfect. Even an actual writer, okay, some people can actually not write as good as this. Okay, so the introduction to me is actually perfect. Now the next thing we want to do now is to generate the outline for the content we want to write. Now the title of the content, like I said, ultimate guide to high ticket dropshipping. Now there should be a content outline, okay, to make the article perfect. Okay, so what you want to do is click on this power mode, then come over here, then click on blog post outline. Okay, so as you can see now, the blog title is ultimate guide to high ticket dropshipping. Okay, so now the software is actually what generates the content outline for us. Okay, so as you can see here, we have pick a niche, find a product to sell, get your domain and hosting set up with Shopify, design your store looks and feel. Okay, let's see another option. What is dropshipping? How do I find a good product to sell? How do I set up my store and get started with Shopify? What are the best products? I feel that is perfect. Okay, let's see this one. What is dropshipping? How to choose the right product? Okay, let's go with this. Okay, so let's assume this is what we are going with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here. I'm going to come back here, then paste it here. Okay, so number one, what is dropshipping? Okay, what is dropshipping? So what you want to do now is come here, then click on this medium, then make it long. Okay, so what is dropshipping? Then hit compose. Amazing. As you can see, is this not perfect? Okay, so we've gotten our first outline. Dropshipping is a retail business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without having to stock any inventory. Instead, when a product is sold, the dropshipper purchases the item from their supplier and as it shipped and have it shipped directly to the customer, usually within 24 hours. Okay, this is perfect. So in this way, merchants are able to offer goods at lower price since they don't have to worry about stocking physical item. Now this is perfect. Okay, now to avoid making this video a long one, I feel this is the template to write anything you want to write. Okay, so the next thing you want to do now is come here. Now how do I find a good product to sell? Okay, what you simply need to do is come here, but so just come up with something a little bit here to make Jarvis know what he's going to write. How do I find a good product to sell? Okay, Okay, let me quickly come up with that. As you can see now, the compose fixture is now up. Okay, so check it. If it's long, yeah, it's long. Then it's the compose button. Alright guys, so this is it now. How to find good product to sell. I feel we need to do a little bit editing right here. Okay, so now this is my own word. Finding a good product to sell is an important aspect of your dropshipping business. So Jarvis, enter this. Internet marketing and SEO professional have a saying, content is king. One of the best places to find dropshipping products that are currently trending or in demand is through Google Trend. I feel that is perfect. Okay, but this introduction is actually out of it. I don't know what internet marketing and SEO has to do with dropshipping, so I'm going to cancel that. Now, one of the best places to find dropshipping products that are currently trending or in demand is through Google Trend. Here, you can search for all sorts of keywords related to your niche as electronics, fashion, minimalistic living, etc. And you should be able to take advantage of our product category. Wow, this is perfect. Okay, so guys, this is perfect. So we have the second outline written, and what you want to do is come here, then do everything for the rest of the outline. Mind you, not all of them is going to be perfect, but you need to do a little bit of editing yourself to get it done. All right guys, so this is basically how you can use the long form assistant to generate content for your website. So the other features, okay, so if you are into e-commerce, okay, you can use this product description to generate content for your website. Okay, so let's say this is one of the products you are selling, interactive dog toy rubber balls. Okay, you can enter the title of the product here. Okay, enter the title of the product here, then tell us a little bit about the product. Now Jarvis is going to use this little intro to know what the product is all about. Okay, then use that to generate a description for you for the product. Okay, so that is that about product description and every other thing you want to do. Okay, so just tell Jarvis about what you want to write. Give it a brief introduction or a brief explanation about what the product is all about, and Jarvis is going to use that to generate an awesome content for you. So this is basically how you can use the platform. Okay, so about the pricing, I'm going to show you what conversion AI cost currently. Okay, now it comes with two pricing system. Now the starter plan is $29 per month, which gives you access to 20,000 words. Okay, and the pro plan is $99 per month. Okay, now the pro plan is one that comes with the long form assistant, okay, that helps you write article from scratch. Okay, so you can start out with any of the two to see how the platform works. And if you want to pay less using the platform, let me quickly show you a little trick on how to do that. Now once you've set up your account, okay, and if you're yet to set up your account, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So after the video, just go to the description, click the link and get started yourself. Okay, it comes with a free trial that you can use to test out the platform. Okay, so if you want to pay less, all you simply need to do is come here. Okay, come here. So you can join the webinar, the host regular webinar. You can join in the webinar, and once you join that, you can get access to 5,000 credits. Then you can also write a review on Trustpilot to get free 10,000 credits, G2 crowd review 10,000 credits, and also Captera review. Okay, so once you do all this, you're going to get 10,000 credits to use on conversion AI. And if you check the pricing plan, $29 per month gives you access to 20,000 words. Okay, so basically this is everything you need to know about conversion AI. Okay, so if you are yet to sign up, I'm going to add a link in the description of the video, like I said. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this. Okay, so lastly, let me know what you think about conversion AI using the comment section below. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.